Good morning guys, welcome again to my new vlog. And today we're gonna go to Aling Sosing's Karinderya. Aling Sosing's Karinderya is not just your ordinary karinderya. It's a karinderya that attracts many food vloggers like Mark Queens and other international vloggers out there. And they're famous for their inihaw na liempo and inihaw na tilapia, which is grilled pork belly and grilled fish. So I believe that it's gonna be a solid meal today. So let's try it out. So we're now here at the Aling Sosing's Karinderya. As you can see over there, it's just a very humble store here in Makati, but it serves great quality food, great quality meals. Many people come here to eat, like many here come on their breaks, so to just eat. So let's go try it out. So this is a karinderya. It's a Filipino style eatery where they display different kinds of dishes, fresh cooked homemade dishes, and you're just gonna go to the counter and tell them what you want to eat, what you want to get, and they're freshly cooked at this time, so it's gonna be solid. Food has just arrived, so we got all of their best sellers. We got the inihaw na liempo, we got the inihaw na tilapia, we got the bulalo, which is a beef dish, and also we got the caldereta. So first we're gonna try out their best seller, the grilled pork belly. So first I'm just gonna make my sauce. Got those chilies here, and pour out this calamansi that I believe will enhance the flavor of the tilapia and the liempo. Nice. So as you can see that the meat looks perfectly cooked, it looks smoky, it looks juicy. So yeah, oh man, I believe this is gonna be a solid bite. Actually, first I'm gonna try this without the rice, just on its own. So here we go. Wow, wow, the meat is actually good. It's smoky, it's tender, it's juicy. This is how you want your meat to be done. So this is actually better than all of the other restaurants that I tried, other 5-star restaurants, other classy restaurants. This is way much better. The bulalo right here, as you can see, there's a huge chunk of meat in this bulalo. It has, oh, did you see that? That's how tender and soft this meat is. It has this fatty layer, it has this meaty layer, so I believe the fat will enhance its flavor. I cannot wait to try this. So let me get the meat with those fat and with the broth. Wow. When you're sick, or when you're tired from work, or if you're just hungry, this is a good meal for you. It has this very meaty flavor, very tender meat, very soft meat. So yeah, very solid. So the next dish that we're gonna try is their grilled tilapia, which is grilled fish. As you can see that, whoa, look at that. Look at that meat. It's flaky, it's juicy. As you can see, it is perfectly grilled. Wow. So we're gonna try the fish. Oh, gotta put it in my rice. Eat it with some chili, with some soy sauce. Wow. The The fish is really good. It's grilled perfectly. It has this juicy taste. It has this perfectly flaky texture. Oh yeah. I just can't stop eating this right now. Just finished off all our food here. The food was overall great. The owner is friendly, the people are friendly, so I have to say that eating here is a 5 out of 5 experience. A great atmosphere, a great environment. By the way, if you're gonna come here, go here very early because at lunchtime this place is packed with people. You'll have a hard time getting seats, and probably you will run out of the inihaw na liempo and inihaw na tilapia. So that's it guys, you should definitely try this Aling Sosing's Carinderia. Their food is the best in quality. We want to thank you, the owner, for catering and for taking care of us while we were eating. They gave us the best quality of each meal. So guys, thank you for watching my vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.